On April 7th, residents of the 11-county area served by CVTC are asked to vote on a referendum authorizing the college to create and expand our facilities. The update of current facilities at various campuses is also needed to serve our growing student population at each of our area campuses. The proposed projects will improve program offerings and spaces at regional campuses, create new spaces to ensure future success in modern industries, and keep our campuses safe and secure for our students, staff, and community. In River Falls, a land acquisition would provide heightened awareness of the campus location and allow for future expansion to support additional programming for this growing region. Completion of the science lab on our existing campus would serve liberal arts and STEM course students. At the Menominee campus, we plan to secure the main campus entrance and update the student commons and office spaces for a more inviting, modern facility. For our Chippewa Falls campus, we need to update the existing facility to provide a science lab that will serve the growing high school academies, liberal arts, and healthcare programs. Additionally, we will add mobile labs to bring high-demand educational and training options to rural areas of the district. We thank you for your time today and encourage you to vote on April 7th. CVTC looks forward to working with our communities as we continue to build our future together.